Good morning, students. For last three classes, we are covering lines and angles. We learned the concept of angles and parallel lines, corresponding angle and alternate angle, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, and we solved so many questions. Today we'll continue solving some more questions. Uh, regarding lines and angles. One such question is, this is AB and this is CD. AB and CD are parallel. Now there is a line like this and like this. This is 35 degree. This angle is and this angle is 65 degree. You need to find this x. Clear? Now how to solve this? AB is parallel to CD. This is given to you. Now, what we will do is, we'll draw a parallel line here. Let me rub this x. This is x. This whole angle is x. Suppose this is O. BOD is angle BOD. You need to find out x. We'll draw a line. Suppose this is OE. So OE we draw parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD. So AB, OE and CD all are parallel to each other. Now concentrate on this part, upper part, AB and OE. Okay. So AB, OE are parallel and this is OB, BO or OB, whatever you say. This is a transversal line. So this angle and this angle are alternate angle. So it will be equal. So angle BOE, this will also be 35. Okay. Now this part, forget about this part. Now OE is parallel to CD. Similarly, now this angle and this angle EOD and this angle which is ODC will be equal. So this is 65 because this is also 65. Again this is alternate angle. So we can say that ABO is equal to BOE is equal to 35. Alternate angle. Both are alternate angle. Similarly, this part EOD is equal to ODC is equal to 65. Again, these both are also alternate angle. Now, very clear, this both are x. So what will be our x? X will be BOE plus EOD is equal to 65 plus 35, that is 100. So x is 100. Is that clear to you? Again I repeat, AB and CD are parallel given. This angle is 35, this is 65. Let me rub it out so that you can understand. and we have to find out this value, this angle BOD. Now what we do is very simple. We draw a line parallel to AB. So my AB and OE, AB, OE are parallel, and this is a transversal line BO. So alternate angle will be equal. So 35 will be equal to this. So this is also 35. And again we concentrate on this part. OE and CD are parallel. Again this is a transversal line OD. So this angle will be equal to 65 because these both are alternate angle. So this is also 65. And this is 35 and 65 make 100. So hope you understand. Let us go to the next sum. Now this is the next sum. AB is parallel to CD. It is given. Now this angle, upper side, this angle is 75. And this is a triangle which is drawn. This angle is, that is BEO. This small angle is 20. This is also 25. You need to find out this x, and you have to find out this one as well. Now how to find? It's very easy. See, 75 plus this whole angle. So I'm talking about 75 plus angle BEF. BEF. Very clearly, these two angles are linear pair. So this will make 180. दोनों मिलके 180 होगा. So this will be 180. Out of which this is 75. तो ये पूरा कितना होगा? So this will be 180 minus 75, which is 105. So angle BEF is 105, out of which this small angle BEO is 20. So we can subtract angle BEO plus angle OEF. OEF will be 105. This whole angle I'm talking about, and BEO is 20. So if it is 20, we can easily find out ye wala angle, this angle, which is OEF. So 105 minus 20. So if you subtract, it becomes, so 20 will go that side. So this will become 85. Yes, 85. So this becomes 85. Now in this triangle it is very clear. In triangle EOF, one angle is 85, this is 25. So what is x? So x plus 85 plus 25 becomes 180. In a triangle, all three angles make 180. So x will be, so we can take this 2 to that side, and if we add them up, it will become 110. 85 plus 25 makes 110. We will subtract 110. So this is 70. So value of x is 70 degree. This is 70, we found out. So x is 70 degree. Now what is y? It is very easy to find y, because if this is 75, this both are corresponding angle. So BEF and angle EFD are corresponding angle. So if this is 75, this whole is 75, corresponding angle. So we can write it here. Let me rub it out, this one, this part I am rubbing out. So angle EFD will be equal to angle this 75. So out of which this is 25. So y plus 25 is equal to 75. So very clearly y is 75 minus 25, that is 50. So this angle is 50 degree. Let me explain you once again. AB and CD are given parallel and this angle is given, this is 75. And this small angle is given and this triangle is drawn. Now we have to find out this one. This angle AX we had to find out. So if we add this angle and this angle, these both are linear pair. If this is 75, this whole will be become 105, 105. Out of 105, this is 20, so this will be 85. The angle, one of the angle of this triangle EOF. If this is 85, this is given 25. We can subtract 85 plus 25 from 180 because all three angles are 180, sum of all the three angles. So this becomes 70. Now this angle and this angle are corresponding angle because AB are parallel. So if this is 75, this is also 75. Out of which this is 25, so y plus 25 will be 75. So if we subtract 25, y is 50. Okay. So hope you understood. Let us go to the next sum. Now this is the next question. AB and CD are parallel and we extend, CD is extended to this point. Suppose this is E and this is F, and B is extended, BD is extended up to F. Now they make a triangle. This angle is given 75. This angle is given 30. So let me repeat this. AB and CD are parallel lines. This angle ABD is given 75. BD is extended up to F and CD is extended up to E. This makes a triangle. This angle is given 30. We have to find out this angle, the angle of one of the angle of the triangle. So how to do this? See, very easy. Concentrate on these two lines. AB and CD are parallel. So this angle and this angle will be corresponding angle. So angle CDF. So angle C, let me write it, it's not visible. So angle CDF will be equal to angle ABD. ABD is equal to 75. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Now this is 75. Now CDF and FDE both are linear pair. This one and this one. So linear pair, if we add them up, it becomes 180. So very clearly FDE this will become 105 because this and this, the sum of linear pair is 180. Very clearly this is 75. So 180 minus 75 is 105. Now in this triangle, this is 105, this is 30 in this triangle. What will happen? All three make 180. So x plus 105 plus 30 is 180. You can easily find out what x is by taking them to that side. 180 minus 105 minus 30, which is, if you subtract this, 105, yeah. So 105, if you add, so this becomes 100. If you subtract this, 150 minus again 105, that is 145. This is 45, right? Yes. 150, 100 minus 5, 45. So value of x is 45, sorry, 45. So you can add up 45 plus 30 is 75, 75 plus 5 is 80, and 100, 185. So it was very easy to find out. Let me explain once again. AB and CD are parallel, it's given, and CD is extended up to E, BD is extended up to F, and it makes a triangle. This angle is given, this you have to find out. This you have to find out. And this is also not given. And this is also not given. So if this is 75, corresponding angle will be 75. And if this is 75, this both become linear pair. So this will become 105. And in a triangle, sum of all the angles are it's 180. So 105 plus 30 plus this is 45 make 180. So very easy to find out. So hope you understood this all three sums. These are very important. Please go to the previous videos so you will understand the concept of lines and angles. And before that I have covered number system. So you can have a look of those videos as well. So pura number systems I have covered with concept, with sums. So if you look at them, if you go through the video, you can learn number system and as well this lines and angle as well. So आप वीडियो को बार बार देखिए तो आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. So all the sums concerning number lines, concerning number system and lines and angles, it has been covered. So if you look at the video, it will be easier for you to understand and solve the sum in the examination. और उसको कॉपी में उतार के आप बार बार अपने से सॉल्व कीजिए. सॉल्व इट बाय योर ओन, तब भी जाके प्रैक्टिस होगा. So this is all we are done for the day. This is all for today, and see you in the next class. Stay safe, work hard to achieve. Thank you very much. Goodbye.